Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make broth culture. Sterilize glassware and stirring tools by boiling or using a flame before you begin. Measure and dissolve nutrients in distilled water, heating gently until fully dissolved. Cool the broth covered to room temperature, then label flasks clearly. Inoculate with a sterile loop from a single colony and incubate at a stable temperature, checking growth carefully without opening the vessel. Prepare the broth by following proportions precisely and employ sterile technique while sterilizing tools before use to prevent contamination. Use distilled water and the correct salt and nutrient amounts, dissolving fully with gentle heat. Cool the media covered to room temperature on a clean surface. Label tubes or flasks with date and strain information. Work near a flame or in a hood and minimize exposure while transferring inoculum to keep cultures pure. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers make cleanup and storage simple, and they seal tight during transport. They are great for storing sterile supplies or lunch when you're in the lab or on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider a set for convenience and peace of mind. Now let's get back to the video. Incubate cultures at an appropriate temperature for the organism and monitor growth visually and by turbidity measurements. Swirl gently to aerate when needed, and avoid repeated openings to reduce contamination risk. Record observations such as color, smell, and cloudiness each day, and compare to expected growth patterns. When desired density is reached, chill cultures if required for storage or process immediately for downstream experiments, and document incubation time and any deviations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.